Welcome to Yeeflow Data List tutorial series. Today, we're going to show you how to custom notifications for data lists. Yeeflow allows you to create custom notifications for your data lists, so you can stay informed of any changes or updates that are relevant to you. First, open the data list and click the More Settings button at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select List Settings to open the settings window. Then find and click Notifications to open the custom notification settings window. Click the plus button to start creating a new notification. First, give your notification a name and choose the trigger condition for the notification. The notification will be automatically triggered based on the predefined conditions. The settings vary depending on your choice of when options. You can choose from different options such as item added, item changed, regular reminder, reminder by date field, and comments added. Next, we will go through these conditions and their related condition settings. You can choose item added to send a notification when a new record is added to the data list. Pick data conditions like any items or items when meet the conditions. Any items. Any new items will trigger this notification. Items when meet the conditions. Only trigger this notification when the preset conditions are met. You can click the Settings button to add conditions in the Condition Editor window. You can choose Item Changed to send a notification when an existing record in the data list is modified. The field's conditions settings include any field. Changes to any field will trigger a notification. Specific fields. Only when one or more fields you set are changed will it trigger a notification. You can click the drop-down to select fields. Data conditions can be set to trigger notifications for any items or items when meet the conditions. A regular reminder can be set based on the date period and frequency. Time conditions option include period. Set how frequently would you like to send the notification. This can be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Date range. Set the start date and end date of the regular reminder will be sent. Time conditions. Set the specific time the notification will be sent out. Reminder by date field. Send notification based on the specific date and time, which is stored in one date field. Data conditions can be set as any items or items when meet the conditions. Click the Settings button to add custom conditions. Data field. Select a date type field from the drop-down list. On the day, select before or after a certain days from the value of selected data field. At the time, check this option when you want the notification to be sent at a certain time of that day. If you added the comments control to your custom list form, you can use the Comments Added option to add notification to recipients when users added new comments on the form. Data conditions can be set as any items or items when meet the conditions. Click the Settings button to add custom conditions. Here, we set it to Item Added so that when a new item is added, we'll trigger this notification. Then select the sender, either the default, Yeeflow, or Microsoft email. The Yeeflow email address can be configured to customize within the Admin Center. For recipients, you can set user and group and choose the list fields from the drop-down menu. Then set the subject via the expression editor. Open the email editor to set the notification content and also insert dynamic content from data list fields. If you need users to view the current data's detail information, you can configure a view link. After all set, click the OK button at the bottom of this window to create this new notification. When a new notification is created, the status of this notification will be set as disabled. Click Enable button to make this notification available. Or click the Disable button to deactivate it, so recipients no longer receive notification alerts. Click the Edit button to re-edit this notification. When this notification alert is no longer needed, you can click the Delete button to remove it. Now let's add a new item that meets the trigger conditions, and then the specified recipient will receive a notification email. Clicking the View Details button in the email will redirect to the notification detail page. If your company account is integrated with Microsoft Teams, users can also receive notification messages from it. With these steps, you can now easily set up and handle notifications for data lists in Yeeflow. These notifications keep you quickly updated on key info changes, boosting your team's response time and efficiency. For more Yeeflow tutorials, keep following our channel. Thanks for watching.